Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to transfer money from Earn to your spot wallet in Binance. So first, here are the steps. First, log into your Binance account. Open your preferred web browser, go to Binance.com and log in your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your Earn wallet. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Earn wallet. You can do this by clicking on Wallet in the top menu and then selecting Earn from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Choose the asset you want to transfer. In your Earn wallet, you'll see a list of assets that you have in various savings products. Choose the asset you want to transfer to your spot wallet. Step 4. Click Transfer, and then next to the chosen asset, you'll find an option labeled Transfer. Click on it to initiate the transfer process. Step 5. Enter transfer details. A pop-up window will appear asking you to specify the details of the transfer. Here's what you need to fill in. First, the transfer form. The transfer from. This should already be pre-filled with your Earn wallet. Next, transfer to. Select Spot Wallet from the drop-down menu. Next, the amount. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Network. Choose the appropriate network for the cryptocurrency you're transferring. And then memo. Some assets may require you to enter a memo. If so, make sure to provide the correct memo if applicable. And then lastly, double check all the information for accuracy. And then, step 6. After reviewing the details, click on the confirm or submit button, depending on your platform's interface. Step 7. Verify the transfer. Once the transfer is completed, you'll receive notification confirming the successful transfer from your Earn wallet to your spot wallet. And then lastly, step 8. Check your spot wallet. To ensure the transfer was successful, go to your spot wallet by clicking on Wallet in the top menu and selecting Spot Wallet from the drop-down menu. You should see the transferred funds in your spot wallet. And then yeah, that's it. So what you want to do is go to Binance and then click on Earn right here. And then what you want to do is go to My Holdings right here and click on Go to Earn Wallet. And then you would see the wallet right here. And then just click on transfer and then just do the rest of these steps and then you'll be done. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to transfer money from Earn to spot wallet in Binance. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.